Hello friends, before make an organic leaf compost, you need this type of packet and mature leaves which is automatic fallen from the tree, but you should avoid mango leaves and banana leaves. For well decomposed the leaves you need some water and potassium in the leaves and make some hole under the packet and take it for 9 months in shade or semi-shade area. After 9 months your compost will look like this, but it's not ready for the plant. It's need 3 day full sunlight. After sunlight your compost will look like this. It is ready for use any kind of plant. You can see, but this compost it's not ready. It's moist and present lots of fungus and bacteria. It's need 3 days full sunlight. After dry it will be ready. This is homemade compost. You can see this is very good for plant. This is my ready compost. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel for the next video. Thank you.